Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to show you 3 easy chicken recipes using 3 different marinades. Great for if you want some variety throughout your week or if you want a couple different options at a party. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I make these 3 different recipes, just keep watching. So the first thing you're going to need for this recipe is your chicken, and I'm using 8 thigh and leg combined, and then I'm going to season those with salt and pepper, and this is going to be our base seasoning for all of the chicken. And I'll make sure to season both sides generously with that salt and pepper. Just do it to your taste and what your preference is. And then I'm going to get some pans that I covered with tin foil. One is a more deeper pan, the smaller one that you see on your right, and the other one is just a flat baking sheet. So for the first of the 3 chickens we're going to make, we're going to start with our lemon wine chicken. And I start off by adding a 1/4 cup of lemon juice to a bowl, and then I'm going to do the same amount of white wine to a bowl. Just pick whichever white wine that you like the best. And then I'm gonna season it using some ginger. And for that, I used 1 tablespoon. And then I put in basil, which I used 1 tablespoon of that. And then 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Feel free to add more, just make it however you like it the best. And then we're gonna mix it all together, and once combined, we'll push it to the side and move on to chicken number 2. So for our next chicken, we're gonna do a sweet and spicy barbecue chicken, and I was inspired by like a lot of different Asian ingredients, which you're gonna see me add in there a little bit later. But to start off, I'm gonna start off with 1/2 cup of sweet barbecue sauce, just any barbecue sauce that pulls more sweet, and then I go in with a tablespoon of sriracha and a tablespoon of red Thai curry paste. And honestly, I just eyeballed it. A lot of ingredients I like to just eyeball because I don't want to get everything dirty. Every single kitchen tool. And then to that, I'm also going to add in some hoisin sauce. And I put in about another tablespoon. And then I'm just going to mix it all together and set that aside. For our very last chicken, we're going to go for a pesto butter chicken. I almost forgot. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a pesto butter chicken, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of pesto. Next, we're gonna go in with butter or margarine. You can do whichever one, they both are gonna taste really good. I went for margarine today, and I used basil. I just really like the flavor of it, but honestly, butter would taste equally as amazing. So to that, I'm gonna also add in my lemon juice, and I'm using about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice to that. And then I'm gonna take that bowl and pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds till the butter is melted. And then if it's not melted after 30, you can do 10-second intervals, opening the microwave in between just so it doesn't splatter and get your microwave completely dirty. But then afterwards, I'm just gonna mix that up and then set that aside, and that's our 3 marinades done. Next, we're gonna bring back the chicken that we had already seasoned. And to the one that's in the deeper pan, I'm gonna use that for our wine chicken, our lemon wine sauce, and I'm just gonna pour that all over the chicken. And I found that the seasoning didn't really go across evenly, so I'm just gonna actually go back in with that seasoning we used earlier, the basil and the Italian seasoning, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So the next chicken we're gonna do is the pesto butter chicken, and I'm just gonna do about 2 of those chicken legs there, and I'm just going to spread it on top and on the bottom, try to get it nice and evenly coated. Last but not least, we're going to do our sweet spicy barbecue chicken. I'm just going to take that barbecue sauce and spread it evenly on the bottom and on the top. Honestly, if you have a brush, like a cooking brush, it works even better. And I'm only going to use about half of that sauce that we made because I want to leave some for part way through the cooking process so that we can sauce it all up again, and it's going to like help cook it in and just give it like a really even layer. Now I'm going to cook it at 350 for about 40 minutes, and then I'll take it out the oven and I'll add the rest of my barbecue sauce on top of the barbecue chicken. I'll make sure I put some of that white wine that collected at the bottom of that deep pan on top of the chicken to help baste it. And then I'll put it in the oven again on broil for another 5 minutes, and make sure to watch constantly so that it doesn't burn. And then this will be your final product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I like to hear what you guys would like to see, and this is the final product. So we have the pesto butter chicken first, the barbecue in the middle, and then on the end, the lemon wine chicken. And yeah, like I said, this is great for parties or for meal prepping, but yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked all 3 recipes. I really liked them. I like switching it up. But anyways, if you guys have any suggestions for any other cooking videos you want to see, please leave it in the comments below, and leave suggestions for makeup videos as well. I'd love to try making some of your suggestions. I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!